Hello, guys. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Duke.wealthco. I go by Zoe Duke, and most people call me Duke. So, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful that I have you guys. First of all, take a moment, go like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with a friend and family that will be needing this information throughout their journey. So, today, the subject I will be talking about how when you're starting out as a beginner, as a entrepreneur, or any business that you will be needed in life. So I want to give you some guidance, like because I was one of you at one time. So basically, when you're starting out, I know it's very frustrating because you don't know where to start and how to start. So the thing I could tell you is, it's best, sometimes you stop at a library, you start listening to a podcast. When I say podcast, you have to be mindful to what of the information that you put into your mind. So basically, make sure you listen to people that you know that's already doing it, or go to networking event. You could meet. There's a lot of people out there, and there's a lot of self-helping book that you could read that could get your subconscious mind to where you want to be. So basically, you want to be around the right environment. And as far as book, so there's a lot of book out there. When I say there's a million of book, so it's best you get on Google, or if you have a friend that like to read or a friend that's already in business, always ask them for a recommendation, always ask for help, and always seeking for guidance. You know what I'm saying? Just be hungry. Just be hungry, and so they could recommend you some good book for you to read. There's book on weakness. There's book on how to start out. So basically, I wanted to talk about this book right here. This is one of the best books you could start reading for beginners. So it will tell you how to start setting up your business up. It will tell you on how to deal with your customer, how to treat your customer, how to start applying hospitality into yourself and also into your business, and also shifting your mind. There's another great book too you could read that could start helping you shifting your mind. It called the power of positive thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. So this book is built based on thinking positive. It's built on faith. It talk about God. It talk about so many great things that you will be needed. But don't get me wrong, the best book people ever read and get guidance from is the Bible. The Bible have everything that you will be needed into it. Most people feel, I don't know, they feel lazy to open it, but it will be the best guidance. So this book he wrote it based on the Bible. It's based on how to practice faith. Because faith, work without faith is dead, and faith without no work is dead. So either way, you need to apply both of this discipline into your life for you to be able to move and achieve your goal. So that will be the end of the subject for the day. And also, I will be having more coming up. Please take a moment. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend and family that will be needed this information. See you next time in the next video. Take care.